Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your The Science Vector book and open your page number 40. Today we are starting unit number 6, Heat and Light. Light help us to see. With the help of light, we can see the whole world. Heat keep us warm and cozy. But where do light and heat come from? The heat and light comes from sun. Look at this picture. The sun is a major source of light for the earth. The sun is a massive ball of fire. Our topic is natural heat and light. Here we can learn types of light source, natural light source and artificial light source. Most heat and light on earth comes from the sun. Heat and light from the sun are natural. That means they are not made by humans. We get light from the sun on earth and it is natural source and God made creature. You can feel the heat from the sun when you go outside on a hot day. Yes, when we go outside in a sunny day, we can feel the heat from the sun. Always wear a hat when you are out in the sun. The light from the sun is what enables us to see during the day. With the help of sun, we enable us to see during the daytime. Night time is when part of the earth is facing away from the sun. During the night time, the earth is far away from the sun, so light from the sun can't reach that part of the earth. And look at this picture. During the night time, the earth is dark. Who I am? I give you natural heat and light. You don't see me at night. Look at this picture, and this is sun. Sun gives us heat and light, and we can't see at night. So who is it? It is sun. Now look at your page number 42. Man-made heat and light. Man-made, it is artificial source of heat and light. Not all heat and light on earth come from the sun. Humans have worked out lot of ways to make heat and light. A long time ago, humans made fire by rubbing sticks or stones together. Later, humans made matches to light fires, and now with the help of matches, we light fires. My arms are getting tired. When will this light? Humans also work out that wind, water, and burning coal can all be used to make electricity. With the help of wind, water, and burning coal, electricity is produced. Now look at page number 43. Electricity is what makes lot of things in our home works, like television, set, ovens, and fridge all work because they are powered by electricity. In our home, a lot of things are working with the help of electricity, like television, set, ovens, and fridge, etc. Did you know that very often light comes from heat? Generally light comes from heat. Many things produce light when they get hot. When the things get hot, they produce light. Here we have two questions. What are the three things we can use to make electricity? With the help of wind, water, and burning coal, electricity is produced. List 5 things in your home that run on electricity. There are a lot of things like your fridge, sets, ovens and fridge, televisions, etc. Now look at your page number 44. Uses of heat and light. Humans use heat and light in many different ways. Heat is used to cook food, Heat is used to boil water. A cup of tea would not taste as good if it was cold. Heat is used to keep us warm. Plants need light. Plants need light to grow. And humans cannot live without plants because we get oxygen from plants. So without light, humans would not be able to live. Light help us to see the dark. Light help us to read in the dark. Fill in the blanks. Dash is used to cook food. Heat is used to cook food. We can only read when there is light. Third, dash make us warm when we are cold. Heat make us warm when we are cold. For plants can't grow without light. So today's your homework is read all this chapter and learn all new words. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.